In this video, we take a look on how you'll be able to install the Zoom app on your laptop or a PC in a Windows 10 or a Windows 11. In order to install, you have to just first open your Chrome browser, and here in the search bar, you have to just type Zoom download. Okay, and just after that, you have to just press enter button, and the first website will appear, download center for Zoom app plugin. This one. You have to just click on it, and next you see the official Zoom website will open. And if your system is supporting 64-bit, you have to just click on this download button. But if your system is old, your laptop or a PC, you have to just click on this 32-bit. Okay, in my case, my system is 4-bit. I will just click, and after that my downloading will start automatically, and it's just a 76 MB setup. It will take a few seconds. Also depend on your internet connection, how fast your internet connection is. So just wait for it, and you see almost it is done. And to go to the directory where we installed this, so just click on this folder icon, and you see here is our Zoom setup. Okay, so in order to install Zoom, you have to click on it, and here you see our Zoom is installing. It will take just a few seconds, and our Zoom will install. Just wait for it, and you see it will take almost few seconds. And here our Zoom is installed. So just wait for it, and I'll tell you how you'll be able to join the Zoom meeting. Okay, so it will ask for the, if you want to automatically keep updating, so leave it as a check, and if you don't, just uncheck my case and click on. So in order to join the Zoom meeting, just click on this join meeting. When you click on it, you see it will ask for the Zoom meeting ID or Zoom link. And when you enter the Zoom ID or Zoom link, this join, now you see join button is visible. And when you click on it, when you enter the Zoom ID, let's say I enter this random ID, you see join button, and after that just clicking on the join button, you be able to join the meeting.